Alright guys, welcome to my world where you matter. So here lately I've been having issues with my key not opening my car. See this? It's stuck. See that? It's stuck. So I did some research and I was like, man, I don't want to replace the lock because it's going to cost money, right? So I found on YouTube that I went and bought some WD-40. See that? And so I was told to spray. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take, see? Lock will not open at all. Lock will not open at all. See that? So I'm gonna take some WD-40, spray this bad boy. That's hard. Spray it. Spray it. Let it sit for a while, because I already shook it up. And then I'm going to spray it on my key. Spray it on my key. Spray it. My key. Let's see. Oh, I missed it. Hold on. Spray it on my key. Still missed it. Anyways, I'm gonna try this. Y'all see this? You just jam it in there, and look guys, look. It works, it actually works. So if you can't get into your car, then I would say, go buy you some WD-40, because this stuff really works. I paid $7 for it. Have a wonderful and blessed day, my people.